As always, this video is brought to you by Faulkner Power Sports in Faulkner, New York, your premier destination for Can-Am, Sea-Doo, and Harley-Davidson in the Western New York market. If you're looking for parts or machines like the beans, make sure to step into Faulkner Power Sports with a great inventory and awesome staff. What's going on, everybody? Roasted Beans and Tires here. Today I am down at Faulkner Power Sports, Can-Am, Sea-Doo, and Harley-Davidson of Jamestown, your premier spot in Western New York for any of those options. We went out and did a little test ride with some accessories today for the X3. It's not my machine, but it's going to be for sale, and you can come down and get this anytime you want. We went out and we took a Can-Am X3 Maverick, and we took it out with the Apache 360 LT track system. This thing was awesome. If you live in a winter area and you want tracks and you want to be able to ride in the winter, this is what I'd be looking for. Let's go ahead and take a look. Watch this video. It's awesome. If you live in a winter area, the Apache 360 LT is awesome. It's a little bit bigger than the Apache 360s, and it has a little more of a contact patch, which is 7 to 9% more than the original Apache 360s. The 360 LT comes with 16 inches of ground clearance and 1-inch lugs in the front and 1¼ inches in the back. This machine was able to get over all the terrain we rode. As you'll see later in the video, we just went through some fields and we went through some different types of wood terrain. We had these on a Maverick X3, but these will fit most Can-Am side-by-sides, including Defender and Traxter models, specifically 2020 or newer, and the HD10 models, a Maverick X3, which would require a mounting kit, and your Maverick Trail and Maverick Sport models. They also will fit most Outlander and Renegade ATV models. Also, you can visit the Can-Am website to see if it fits your specific model. This specific X3 that we did drive did have a Can-Am windshield and an automatic wiper. If I were you and I were getting tracks, I would probably make sure I have both of these, because as you let loose on it, it really throws the snow up, and you're going to need a windshield wiper to make sure you can see. If you're a brave soul and you want to just brave the elements, go ahead, but I would definitely recommend any type of windshield with a windshield wiper, because you will not be able to see if you don't have the wiper. Also, this machine had the lower doors and it had an upper door kit, so we were enclosed. There was no back enclosure, so it was open still in the back, and no heater. If you really want to get comfortable, there's a lot of options where you can buy these track systems and you can have a fully enclosed option and be comfortable while riding out in the snow, or trail system if your area permits. These were mounted on a 64-inch Maverick X3. I'm going to tell you that they're probably going to add 8 inches of width to your machine, so we were probably looking at 72 inches with this, so we had no problem. But if you are in the 72-inch machine and then you add these, it might be a little tight in some random areas. right, everybody, that's the video for today. Again, thanks to Falconer Power Sports for letting us take out that awesome Can-Am Maverick X3 with the Apache 360 LT snow tracks. If you live in a winter area, I'm telling you, it's definitely an addition you should have. They're awesome, they're fun, and you might even live in an area where you can use it on the trail systems around you. Unfortunately, right now in Western New York, we can't, but you never know. Maybe eventually we'll be able to. So again, Apache 360 LT snow tracks, Falconer Power Sports, Can-Am, always the best, roasted beans and tires. See you again soon.
Bring it down,